Boleh buka sekejap je. Nak tengok gambar je lagi. Ke nak buka aja.
Kena buka sepanjang interview. Sepatutnya kena buka sepanjang interview.
Ni tak ada kena share screen ke apa, tak ada kan? Tak ada share screen apa, tak ada kan?
Oh, tak ada kan? So, kalau dia tak faham soalan, kena ulang balik kan? Ya, kan faham soalan. Cik Fairuz nak masuk.
Hello. Assalamualaikum. Cik Fairuz boleh dengar ke?
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Ya, boleh dengar. Saya boleh dengar.
Okay. So, kita buka kamera lah dulu Boleh kenal siapa.
Okay, semua dah ada?
Ni semua dah ada dah.
Okay, baik. Alright, boleh. You can start.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Kami dari pelajar UTHM berkenaan dengan kami punya projek. So, kami kena interview engineer yang ada title IR.
Okay.
So, ada beberapa soalan yang kami nak tanya. Okay, soalan pertama berkenaan dengan qualification ataupun tahun experience. So, what is your highest qualification in the field of engineering and how did you pursue on your path to get the title of IR?
Okay. Ni tu start ke apa ni? Ke nak tak kenal pun members of team. Nak tahu juga kan.
Okay,
so
saya
kan, and then ini adalah you buat ni, tujuan ni untuk apa, you punya assignment, untuk subjek apa, you briefing sikit lah.
Okay. Saya Muhammad Azmi dan ni kawan-kawan saya yang terlibat dalam grup projek. Ada Diana Jamil, ada Kelvin, ada Balkis Fazana dengan Syazrin Farhan. So, subjek yang melibatkan interview ni subjek Engineering and Society. So, bila melibatkan society tu maksudnya ada orang luar lah yang kita kena campurkan selain daripada student.
Okay, alright. Okay.
So
you apa? You sekarang tahun berapa?
Tahun 4, tahun akhir.
Tahun akhir. Apa ni, fakulti mana?
Fakulti Mechanical.
You degree dalam?
Degree?
You punya degree dalam?
Mechanical pure mechanical.
Ada bracket tak ada? Mechanical lah.
Mechanical saja.
Okay, alright. Okay, right. So, boleh lah start. Okay, berdasarkan pada soalan tu.
Soalan pertama tadi, what is your highest qualification in the field of engineering, and how did you pursue on your path to get the title of IR?
Right. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to all participants that in Zoom platform right now. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fairuz bin Muhammad Rashid. Basically, this interview session, I already get this interview session. I think almost 3 years before. I think you're senior. They are doing same task to interview the engineer that with profession of IR to complete their assignment, right? So to thank again because I think this is from Balkis. Balkis contact me to make some of interview session this morning. So I agree because I know their father is working with me before this. Okay, and then I try to help you all guys to complete your assignment regarding professional of engineering terms or professional engineer, right? Okay, back to your question. Sorry, you asked me, right?
Yeah.
Azmi.
Yes.
Okay, so pertama tadi the first question, you kata tadi what is your highest qualification in the field of engineering? Okay, my highest qualifications in the field of engineering is a master science of manufacturing engineering. But right now, I'm further my study in PhD also in the manufacturing engineering in UTM lah, University Technical Malaysia Melaka. Right. Now I'm a second year. Alright. So still ongoing to complete my assignment and my research. My master science of manufacturing engineering, which is I'm focused on a process manufacturing. Right. So before I have a master, I get my first degree also in UTM that time, call of College University Technical Malaysia Melaka that time lah. Okay, UTKM. Right, also in the manufacturing engineering. Right, so throughout my working journey, I undertook some courses such as welding, and then for boiler, and also the pressure vessels and oil and gas pipeline that provide a strong foundation in engineering works. Right, so additionally, I was active involved in project like oil and gas pipeline, right? Oil and gas pipeline that need to build under the field, and where I gain practical experience in the field of engineering. So that is my my highest qualification in the field of engineering. All right, Azmi, you get that?
Yes. And another question that you didn't answer yet is how did you pursue on your path to get the title of IR?
Oh, okay, right. So actually, when I go through your question, actually, this question already they have also mentioned. I think on the question number. Sorry. Okay, never mind. Okay. To achieve a title of professional engineer, all right. In Malaysia, we have not only Board of Engineer Malaysia. Professional engineer is provided by Board of Engineer Malaysia, which is BEM. All right. That there is a difference between BEM and IEM. IEM is an institution of engineers Malaysia. They want more to the institution that provide training for professional engineer. But BEM, one of the body that recognize you as a professional engineer. But how to recognize you as professional engineer? Azim. So let's say you already finished, you complete your degree study, right? And then you will be go for the working environment. You working as an engineer. So you still not as a professional engineer. When you want to become a professional engineer, you need to complete the necessary license exams and obtain the certificate from the Board of Engineering Malaysia, which is BM. So this process involves several steps, such as first, you need to register as a graduate engineer. So my suggestion to you guys, all right, after you complete your study, let's say by this year, right, you complete your study and degree, and then after that you can register with BM as a graduate engineer first. Graduate engineer, right? So when you are re-registered as a graduate engineer and then you go for the working, you go to the company, you go to the industry. So complete 3 years your experience in industry, you can apply to be a professional engineer. 3 years after you register as a graduate engineer. All right. That's why when you're not registered as graduate engineer, even though you have a 10-year experience, you still cannot go for the professional engineer because you not registered with graduate engineer by BM. Right. So that's why you need to register a graduate engineer by to BM, and then you get an experience at least 3 years, and then you submit for register for professional engineer. So means you need to complete the test, interview, oral interview, and some of technical report you need to send to to the BM to analyze your professional experience. All right. So that is the process how you want to get a professional engineer with BEM or IEM, Azmi.
Okay. So for the next question is how many years of experience do you have in the industrial engineering sector? Since you are from JKPP, right?
Yeah, Dosh. Yeah.
And it is not industrial engineering. So did you have any experience in industrial engineering sector?
Right. Right. Thank you, Azmi. Actually, Azmi, when we talk about the JKKP, Jabatan Keselamatan Kesihatan Pekerjaan Malaysia, or DOSH, Department of Safety and Health. Actually, that is a technical department in government. They only have 3 technical department in government, which is DOSH, JKR, and also the JPS, Jabatan Pengaliran Saliran Malaysia. So this department actually is technical body or technical department that relate with industry, right? That's why so in my professional journey, I have accumulated my working experience start from after I finish my study until now, 80 years working experience. 80 years. 18 years, 18. So my first experience in industry when I graduate from KUTKM, which is we call Kuadenko Malaysia Sdn Bhd, which is located in Batu Berendam, Melaka. Right? So this is a company, Japanese company. They produce resistor. Yeah, resistor. So that time I'm as a quality engineer. Right? So after that, I get some offer from Japanese company also, which is called a TIA Electronic Machine Sdn Bhd. So which is this company also located in Batu Berendam, Melaka. Alright, so this is a company electronic. They produce part for electronic like radio, alright, like which is used for the electronic component lah. Alright. So after that, I get offer to Pro2 Manufacturing Sdn Bhd, right? Pro2 in 2008. If I'm not mistaken, 2008 is Pro2 Manufacturing Sdn Bhd, which is located in Rawang, Selangor. So in Pro2, I appointed as a R&D engineer, which is more to the research and design for the car, for car manufacturing. But my working in Pro2 not too long, because after half an year, I got offer from government, which is this Department of Safety and Health, and then I make a decision to move in government sector, because that time the economy was so bad in 2008, right? So I decide I want to move to the government in 2008. So until now, I am working in government 2008. But in JKKP, there is a technical department, which is you need go to the factory, you need go to the industry, you need go to the construction to check, to ensure the safety and health of the workers and also the workplace. Right? Okay, Azmi, clear?
Clear, sir. And for the third question, regarding on the qualification, that are you a member of any professional engineering association or society? If so,
Right.
please specify.
All right, thank you, Azim. Yes, I am an active member of professional engineering association and also the society, such as Institute of Engineering Malaysia, IEM, and also BEM, Board of Engineering Malaysia, that align with my field of expertise. Right. So being a member of this organization has provided me with a valuable networking opportunity. So that's why you want to be active in this society, because you want to get the networking opportunity. So by joining these organizations, you will know the others professional engineer from the others area, right? So that which is good for you to get the networking opportunity. All right. In IEM, I was vice chairman in IEM Melaka for 2021 until 2023, that time. Right? So I was vice chairman in IEM Melaka branch, right? So this is my contributions to the engineering association. And then for the BEM, Board of Engineering Malaysia, I was of the committee of CPD training and education for professional engineer. All right. So the name of the committee is training and training and education for professional engineer. So that is my committee that I was involved with BEM, right? And other than IEM and BEM, I'm also active with MBOT, all right, Malaysian Board of Technologies, which is one of the panel interview for who want to become a professional become a TS or TC, right? So I will be the panel for interview. Other than that, I'm also join the organizations like NDT Association Malaysia, NDT non-destructive testing. Right, Azim, you know NDT, right? I think in mechanical, I think they also study in the NDT technology, right? I'm active participate in BM committee, IEM committee in terms of events, activity, webinar, and give some talk to the industry, give talk to the university, to give we want to give to student how you want to be a professional engineer after you graduate, right? And also for the industry, because in industry right now they have so many engineers that not registered with BEM right now, right? So which is not wrong. If we follow for the BEM Act, if you not register with BEM as a graduate engineer, that one you can be, BEM can charge you in the court, right? Right. So that's all about professional engineering association or society that I involved, Azmi.
All right. About specific experience, the first question is, could you describe your most significant and specific engineering project or accomplishment in the industrial sector?
Right. Thank you, Azim. So the specific engineering project, of course, my title is Factory and Machinery Inspector, which is dalam bahasa Melayu pemeriksa kilang dan jentera. Means you need to go for inspections on factory, also on machinery, right? So my role actually as a safety engineer at Department of Safety and Health Malaysia, right? So I'm responsible for conducting inspections and ensuring compliance with the safety regulations and in the various industry setting, which is I'm focused inspections like a boiler. Like boiler means kalau dalam bahasa Melayu we call it dandang steam. Also I think you ada belajar juga untuk heat transfer ni untuk boiler dan sebagainya. So I'm focused to inspection on the boiler and also the unfired pressure vessel UPV seperti compressor, air compressor, right? And then focus on oil and gas pipeline. So pipeline, talian pipe yang nak salurkan gas dengan minyak yang perlu di dalam tanah, yang di dalam tanah yang ditanam di dalam tanah. So that's why kita kena go for inspection also. And then I'm also involved with tower crane inspection. Kalau dekat construction, kalau you tengok lift tower crane, alright, during construction, itu pun one of the specific engineering project yang perlu dibuat oleh jurujutera yang berada dalam DOSH. And then also passenger lift, lift yang you naik, itu pun kita kena buat inspections in term of safety. And then beside that, before we go for the inspection, alright, the specific engineering that we need to do during the inspection is, for example, like NDT testing, right? NDT, non-destructive testing. For example, they want to do the welding the specimen, do the process of repair the boiler, repair the unfired pressure vessel machines. So some of the activity that need to done is a welding activity. So welding, when you want to do the welding, you need to have WPS, which is welding procedure standard. So in the welding procedure standard, you need to see what's the procedure you want to weld. So what's current, what's volts, what ampere you need to use to weld the specimens. Then after that, you need to go for the NDT testing, like dye penetrant testing, DPT, and MPI, magnetic particle testing, which is we want to know the welding is good or not, is passed or not, right? That's why we need to use this testing, right? So this is more to the engineering practice. Okay, right, Azmi.
So for the another question in specific experience, what challenges did you encounter during this project, and how did you overcome it?
Right. Okay. Being a what I call factory and machinery engineer or inspector, so they have a lot of challenge, Azmi, right? I give some example to you. I was head that time. I will be appointed as a head of project. Project two to do the turnaround inspection. You know turnaround inspection. You can find after this TA right? TA turnaround inspection at Petronas Penapisan Melaka, right? So you know Petronas Penapisan Melaka, their activity more to the what you call refine the oil come from the offshore, and then they will process in the Petronas Penapisan Melaka. So they have a lot of machinery there, almost 1,000 machinery unit for inspection. So I will be head that time. My department appointed me as a head to organize the team for the inspection, the whole of the plant for Petronas Penapisan Melaka. So they have many challenge. For example, the challenge was for like a safety issue, all right. A tight deadline, all right. Tight deadline because you need to complete the inspection within 3 months. Because after, if you're not complete within 3 months, so they have a problem in terms of supply of oil in petrol station like Petronas, right? So that's why you need to have a good planning to make sure that inspection can be done within the 3 months, right? So this is my what you call my challenge, right? In terms of the answer, and also in terms of the budget constraints, right? Because if you want to go there, of course you have need to transport and then some of accommodation to your staff to stay, all right? To stay, maybe some of and then for the hotel for your staff. So some of the budget also that is what you call our challenge lah to get to complete this project. All right. So to address this challenge, Azim, I always collaborate with the relevant experts and propose alternative solution. Right. For example, we adjust our project plan. So we try to accommodate the process in terms of the planning, all right? So we relocating the resources and revise timeline to ensure that safety standard were not compromised and project goal we achieve, right? And then the most important thing is the challenge, right? Is how you want to what do you call, you take care your staff, right? How the best challenge is how you want to take care your staff and to manage your staff, right? Because staff is human, all right. So how you want to be a good leader that time, because the work is very very tired. They have a lot of work for the project. So you need to, as a leader, you need to show you are leadership. You have a good leadership, and then how you talk, the way you talk to your staff, the way you talk to your staff to get help from the staff, that is very important as well. So the manage of staff for this project is very very critical. So that's why by this project, you need to have some soft skill in terms of the way how you talk, the way how you combine your stuff, alright? The way how you work as a professional, not by emotional, but more to the professional. Is it? Alright, Azmin.
Okay, can we stop for a while since the link for the Zoom limited? So
Oh yeah,
so
okay, alright.
we need to change the link.
Alright, so we need to log out first lah.
Yes.
Okay, right. So we come back to this.